Welcome to this video on basic English grammar. Today we're covering nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and articles. Let's dive in. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. In Maria goes to school, Maria and school are nouns. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. In John loves teaching. We use he instead of John. A verb shows action or a state of being. In she runs fast. Runs is a verb. An adjective describes a noun. In big house, big is an adjective. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. In she runs quickly, quickly is an adverb. An article introduces a noun. A, and the are articles. That's a quick look at basic English grammar. Like, share, and subscribe for more grammar tips.